Here I have Lenovo Vibe P1 and let me show you how to use power saving mode on the following device. If you would like to quickly enable power saving, let's use the upper bar twice, and here let's tap on the battery icon. Here the power manager pops up, let's tap on battery saver, and here you can enable battery saver by using that switcher. As you can see, the following stripe pops up. If you disable, the stripe disappear. Here you can also turn on automatically battery saver, for example when you have 5% of the battery or 15% of the battery. What's really important that to help improve the battery life, battery saver reduces your device performance and limits vibrations and most background data. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.